today's vlog, we are going to make
a hotdog bacon sandwich. So, tara, let's!
We need hot dog, bacon, and mozzarella cheese for our sandwich. We need to slice first our bread. Then set up the pan with foil to put our hot dog bacon sandwich with cheese. Slice the hot dog and place the cheese. Then wrap around the bacon. Our hot dog bacon with cheese are ready to bake. So let's place it in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes. The hot dog bacon with cheese is almost done. So it's already cooked. Let's put it out in the oven. Then let's put it in our sliced bread. Voila! Our hot dog bacon and cheese sandwich!
Thanks for watching!
Hope you enjoy it! Diba? Easy lang.
Yes, just 3 ingredients.
Yes, and you can have your bacon and hot dog sandwich. So, don't forget to like and subscribe!